Good morning, everyone. It's your friend and online tutor, Abraham Alukowa Yonimofe. I'm so sorry for not having posting videos lately, but today I realized that the exam known as WAEC has started already. If it's almost ending, and we have NECO ahead. So, what I'm here to do is I'm here to give us some safety guidelines in our various exams we are preparing or we are ready to sit for, so that we can achieve and come out with a better result. Now I will start with physics. Under physics, we all know we do practicals, objective theory, and so on and so forth. So under the practicals, if I could recall very well, we deal with light, mechanics, and electricity. Light, mechanics, and electricity. So if I could recall very well, each carries one of these practicals. Two, we do two out of three. So the two we do out of these three carries 50 marks. Then our objective and theory will also be converted to 50 marks. So for the breakdown of this, we must be able to achieve a great result under the practical, then to be added to our objective and theory. So under light, electricity, and mechanics, the one I deal with majorly is light and no, electricity and mechanics. So because that is one of the easiest questions to deal with under the practical aspect. Then for us to do that, under electricity we deal with resistance and current. Then under mechanics we deal with meter rule, or we deal with the one that we use for what, measuring, like we use for measuring mass. So that's what we deal with under that aspect. Then under chemistry, the practical is also 50 marks. Then the OBG and theory will also be converted to 50 marks. So under the practical for chemistry, we all know that we deal with salt analysis. That is one of the major things to deal with, salt analysis. Then after salt analysis, we deal with CAV over CBVB is equals to NA over NB. But the first thing I would like us to know is that anytime we want to deal with questions that deals with final volume, initial volume, and so on and so forth, we must be able to balance equation. So to end the short video here, I will list 3 steps for us on how to balance equation. The first thing to know on how to balance a chemical equation is that we must identify the elements in the compound of each what part. We have the reactant side and we have the product side. That's the first thing we need to know. Then the second thing is we need to know the coefficient, as in the number that stands as the coefficient of the what compound. We need to know it for the product side and the reactant side. Then the last step is when we balance the equation, if the number that we use as the coefficient of the product side is equal to the number of the what reactant side, then the equation is balanced. I will take that again. If the number that is represented as the coefficient of each compound in the reactant side is equal to that of the product side, then the equation is balanced. So for today, this is what I have to share. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.